have had situations where your small sprocket here needs to be replaced, and I've got this one out here showing what it is and the number of parts. And there is a tendency, or not a tendency, but some of you have taken these things apart, or they've come apart on your boat, and I'll show you what happens when you take this particular part out of there. These rollers will come out. You'll wind up with this part here, you'll wind up with this, and 16 of these rollers, and these two parts here. This is a screw that holds this whole unit into this part right here, which is what we call a small sprocket carrier. You can maybe see better here. There's a threaded rod that goes way up inside here. I'm going to take one of these apart and show you in a minute just how that functions in there, or what happens in there. But the point right now is, when this unit comes out with these rollers in there, they will go all over the place, and they are not the easiest part to put back in. You have to take these two parts, the screw here and this washer type part, put it down inside and put these back in, and there's an upside down and a right side up, and you need to alternate these. There are 16 of these rollers in each one of these units, and then when they all get in there, you have to be able to put this back in. And this is a reason why we suggest, if you have problems with this unit, or if you need a replacement for any reason whatsoever, that we will send you this complete unit, all of this, all put together just like this, and with a piece of tape on there. That's to keep everything together until it gets to you, and then you just take this tape and take it off of there. It will not fall apart if you hold it up like this. If you hold it upside down and shake it, or for some reason pull it off of there, you'll get into this situation that I'm showing here. But then this unit will go on here, and once again I'm going to take probably this drive unit apart and show you exactly where it goes. These are the screwdrivers that you need to have for the screw that goes in here. You reach right down through here. This is what we call the nose of the small sprocket. And I have two Phillips screwdrivers here. This is a number 3 Phillips screwdriver, and is by far the preferred unit for putting this back in. Although it's not terribly difficult to drive the screw, this number 3 Phillips fits this screw far better than this more ordinary number 2 Phillips. So if you're going to be working with this for any amount of time, get a number 3 Phillips screwdriver and use that. Don't use the number 2. Okay, that's it at this particular stage.